Hey friends, after a crazy hot month, it was finally a gorgeous day. So off we went with our two-person kayak into Huntington Harbor. Built on the northwest corner of Huntington Beach and bordering Seal and Sunset beaches, Huntington Harbor has 5 man-made islands bound together by a network of channels and the land surrounding them. About 3,500 people live here. Kayaking, fishing, sailing, stand-up paddleboarding, and sunset boat cruises are really popular here. We kayaked past countless million-dollar homes, private docks, and incredible private yachts. After exploring for a couple of hours, I took her out on my own for a while. I wanted to see if I could paddle that two-person kayak by myself. I was very happy to find it was ridiculously easy. But now, let's show you around. That's the mainland Huntington Harbor, straight ahead of you. And now you see the Bolsa Chica Ecological Reserve, a great place to go for a walk in the wetlands. And of course, in the distance, the Pacific Ocean. Construction began in 1963 at a cost of some $200 million. There are over 1,000 waterfront homes. They include condominiums, townhouses, and detached houses. The islands go by the names of Admiralty, Davenport, Gilbert, Humboldt, and Trinidad. These young boys hanging out on one of the docks were pretty excited to see our drone. There are 5 public mothers' beaches in Huntington Harbor, where locals come to bring their children to play in the sand and to swim in the shallow water. The water here is a lot warmer than the ocean, which is really nice for swimming. These beaches are also great places to launch your kayaks. Stay till the end. There's quite a surprise, and it involves that bridge. Back up we go for one last look back at this beautiful harbor. There are many good reasons to visit the Huntington Harbor, but 2 of the most special ones are the Cruise of Lights and the Huntington Harbor Boat Parade. And boat tours go through the waterways of Huntington Harbor, where people can share the beauty of thousands of lights on the homes and on the boats. In the past, we have rented Duffy boats and done our own parade of lights. Okay, now here comes that surprise I was telling you about. Stay tuned. Is this allowed? Definitely not. But the grace of these boys really caught our attention. It was a great day. Thanks for coming along.